About 100 kilometers above the impact site, 70 billion tons of pulverized material formed a vast cloud of dust and molten glass. This ejecta cloud, with temperatures reaching 15,000 degrees Celsius, expanded outward at a speed of 10,000 kilometers per hour, scorching the earth with extreme heat. Animals in the forest sensed danger, but not from the sky. The warning came from beneath the ground. During the impact, most of the energy was released outward, and only 1% was transmitted into the earth. Yet that 1% triggered a magnitude 11.1 earthquake, 60 times more powerful than any earthquake ever experienced by humans. Small animals fled into burrows for shelter, while triceratops struggled desperately to keep their footing amid the violent shaking and falling debris. At the same time, the cloud in the sky became charged with millions of volts of static electricity, forming a massive electrical storm. Superheated rocks turned into fiery projectiles, raining down and striking the wings of pterosaurs. They had survived the earthquakes below, but could not escape the firestorm above. Their wings were torn and burnt until they could no longer fly. In just a few dozen minutes, what had once been a paradise for dinosaurs turned into an endless inferno. Yet the high-temperature cloud continued to spread. On the other side of the Earth, in what is now Mongolia, temperatures began to rise rapidly by several degrees every second. 90 minutes after the impact, ground temperatures there reached 300 degrees Celsius. Countless dinosaurs were burned alive. Still, a few were lucky. The microclimate inside caves allowed some animals to remain temporarily cool, but the extreme heat of the ejecta cloud ignited massive wildfires. These fires grew so intense that they generated their own winds. Air pressure in valleys dropped sharply, creating vacuum-like conditions that sucked in flames, turning already dry vegetation into explosive fuel. A firestorm reaching temperatures of 1,800 degrees Celsius swept through entire valleys. Some small animals, sheltered beneath the flames, managed to survive, but the massive dinosaurs had nowhere to hide. For them, there was only one fate: death.